want to ask you something.
What do you want to ask?
I think you are using iPhone 3G.
Okay,
Why
don't call
don't-
it 3G, it's iPhone, just iPhone.
No. Because the iPhone has introduced many phones after that. iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, iPhone 5, iPhone 5S. Now iPhone 6, 6S, iPhone 6S Plus. But you are still using the half version of that. What is the main objective behind that? Can you please tell me?
Have you heard the saying, old is gold?
No. iPhone
So,
never say that word to iPhone old is gold, because iPhone is iPhone. You have to
So
be
that is
updated.
not- that is iPhone and
Please
this
let
is
me.
my phone.
Please let me finish. iPhone is said like that because.
Okay, you're done. Okay?
No.
First get your words right, then come back to me.
No, actually I was trying to say. But
Okay, which
you
phone
have
are you
interrupted.
using? HTC?
See, this is HTC One. This is my mobile, and look at the front cam clarity.
See,
See, this is 1 minute. This is iPhone 3G, the half version of the iPhone 6s Plus. Okay, please try to see this. See the time. Nothing is visible.
Okay, listen.
Yes.
Okay, even my iPhone 3, it's worth around 27,000. And
Yes.
your HTC One, what
See.
is it worth? What is it worth? I
This
want
is
to know.
45,000.
India wants to know. India wants to know. Tell me, what is it worth?
No. Don't say India wants to know. Just
No.
say you want to know. This is 45,200 rupees when it came to market, and I purchased it for 45,000.
Okay,
I
don't tell me
borrowed
lies.
money
It
from
was
my friends.
15,000. It was 15,000. Don't tell me lies.
No,
India wants
no,
to know.
no,
India
no,
wants
no,
to know.
no,
It was
no.
15,000. It was 15,000. I was the one. I was the one who's coming to you.
No.
India wants to know. 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 You don't speak over me when I am speaking about me iPhone.
No. Just
No, you
This
can't
phone
speak
is-
over me when I am speaking about my iPhone.
this phone.
You
is
are
what-
using an HTC One, which is made in China.
No,
So you
no.
need to shut your mouth up.
No.
End of the topic.
HTC is the second
I will
most,
switch on the
second
phone.
most selling phone in the world. You see, iPhone come first, but you are using the old version. It is not an iPhone. It is Sadela
That
phone.
is what. It is my phone. If it's not an iPhone, this is my phone.
It is not called an iPhone. An iPhone is. If it is not an iPhone, then it is not an iPhone.
That is what. It is not an iPhone. It is not an iPhone. So you are
But-
not using an iPhone.
But it isn't applicable to you because it is. This piece is ended in the old age version. Old age man. It was discovered when the French Revolution, and you are still using it. So you can't say this iPhone. You can say.
Okay,
this
you are
as-
insulting my phone too much. I am walking out of it.
No. Please come here.